Zombie apocalypse.
Hello and welcome to my channel. And today I'm very excited because I bought this new gaming laptop, the ACER Nitro 5. I got this bad boy at a very good price with a very high specification. Not to mention the Intel Hexa-core i7 10th generation. So I'm very excited with it because it has with 15.6 full HD screen. And one of the best thing that caught my attention when I checked this laptop is its dedicated graphics. That is NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti, because it has 6 GB VRAM capacity. It also has 16 GB RAM DDR4 with a very huge capacity of 1 terabyte SSD hard disk. So I'm very excited to open this bad boy and try, and I don't know how it is working as per my expectation or how it will work as per my application. Also, just stay tuned and wait for the next video I'm gonna post, because I'm going to post the review of this laptop, how it will work based on its different kind of games and applications. So let's start unboxing. So this is bad boy. I'm very excited on it. Alright, it has this instruction manual, and what's this one? Look at this, it's cool. It has with the sticker Team Evolve. So this is the instruction manual or quick start guide, ACER Nitro 5, and comes with oh, this is the charger. Yeah, this box is for the charger, and come here you go. This is the baby, that boy. Welcome to the ACER Nitro 5. Okay, it's pretty slick. It's like it has like metallic finish, and oh, this makes cool. Alright, I like the accent. It has a cooling system itself, and I believe this is the cooling fan. Both of them with so much cooling fan underneath, and right, as you can see guys, as you can see, this is instruction manual again. It has a very neat black and white keyboard. You know, this screen has like full HD with 144 Hertz, so it's like the refresh rate of each and every screen. As you can see, can you just focus on this? i-Core 7 Intel 10th generation. This is awesome. Oh, and it has also a built-in like available slots for two times SSD and one plus hard disk. Okay, and it's like a very narrow edge screen. Okay. It's pretty awesome. Cool, and I'm very excited here. So here is it, guys. Here it is, the Nitro 5 from ACER. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to configure this laptop, and on the next video, I'm gonna show you what is the review of this laptop, as I promised. So stay tuned, guys. I hope you like the unboxing. Please hit the like button and subscribe, as this is my first ever video that I'm going to continue for reviewing different kind of laptops. Thank you very much for watching.
Zombie apocalypse.